Hello，大家好，好耐冇見。有一段時間就冇做呢啲廣東話 vlog 啦。咁就因為我都唔知講乜嘢，不過有時覺得如果有人願意聽嘅，I'm just throwing it out there. If it relates to you, I'm happy. If it doesn't, totally fine. So, 前幾日喺即係個 museum 嗰度有一個免費嘅 day 嘅，咁之後嗰個 museum 係10點鐘開門啊，咁之後我已經盡量早啲出門，因為應該唔會好多人啩，不過好多人啊，不過個隊咧就幾快下嘅，即係唔係即係停住好耐咧，咁之後排咗隊差唔多有1個鐘頭啦，不過 OK 嘅。咁即係入咗個 museum，咁之後就係想睇 Van Gogh 嘅嗰啲畫，咁就OK。So 因為咧，如果平時咧如果連埋 general admission 就係 Van Gogh 嗰個展，即係佢 special 啊嘛，咁之後30幾蚊啊，然後so I was like 免費嘅，咁啊去睇咯，係咁樣。So how was your day？ 就係想分享下呢個 weekend 做咗啲乜嘢。係咯，如果你問我最近即係睇咩劇集，如果你有睇我啲 channel， 我而家最近睇緊《藏海傳》Legend of 藏海 and 我好中意呢個劇集，因為 it remind me of 琅琊榜Nirvana and Fire, I think that's the English thing for it, and 幾好睇嘅。不過我而家等緊即係藏海 excuse me 跟嗰個公主佢哋即係大家都知道邊個係邊個，so I'm waiting for what's gonna happen next. So I think I'm just gonna wait on this 劇集 for a bit. But there's another new 劇集，周麗穎's new drama that came out, and also Wang Anyu has a new drama out. So I'm gonna check those out. So I'm really excited because 周麗穎's drama look really interesting to me, so I'm really, really excited for this drama in general. And Wang Anyu, I think it's nice to see him play in the other drama it was a lovey romantic drama, but this one's a little bit more sweeter than the other one. So yeah, I was like I'll check these dramas out. But if you've been following TVB 劇集，林保怡 is back. So he came out with a new drama called 刑警12. So you can go check that out as well. So yeah. Anyways, just wanted to drop by and say hi. And I'll see you in the next video. I promise.